Hello my YouTube friend, welcome back. This is Hugh with Hugh and Will. Today I'm gonna share with you how to reset a maintenance light or maintenance light and TPMS lights on a Toyota Camry. The one I have right here is a 2021 Toyota Camry SE model, and it should be similar to other models between 2018 to 2022. So let's get started. I got the base one, the SE model. So let's turn the car on. So I have the car on, and you can see on the dash over here on the center console right there, or the information screen right in the center right there. And how to control that is with the control button on the steering wheel right here. So you can use an arrow, arrow here, and you can see it's moving along on the screen there. So we move left and right with this one, and up and down with this one. So normally when you turn on the car, default is stay on the eye right there, information, and you just move the arrow with the arrow to the right, where it say, you see with the wheel right there, look like the wheel, right, it look like the gear wheel right there. Then you roll the, it's going down, so you move the arrow down until you see setting, vehicle setting. Then you see in this vehicle setting right here, you can reset the TPMS, so it's right on the top there, TPWS, and or you can reset the schedule maintenance on the bottom here. So when you roll it down, you choose the schedule maintenance, put OK to reset, and it will ask you to say yes or no. You can choose yes to reset it, or choose no to not to reset. So you do yes to reset it, and it say reset complete. Similarly, if you want to reset the TPMS, same thing. You go through that gear wheel looking gear right there, and then you roll down to setting TPMS, and it will ask you to see if you set the tire pressure or you changing the wheel. So choose either one. Let's say set pressure. When you select the set pressure, it will ask you to hold the OK button down. So you just hold the OK button down. There you go. And it'll pop up setting tire pressure warning system. It's flashing, and then that's it. It turned off, so the system is reset. That's how you reset the maintenance light and TPMS lights on a Toyota Camry. Pretty straightforward. All right, have a wonderful day. Thank you for all your support, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a wonderful day, my friends.